We're going to look at Motorola radios for construction job sites. We're going to talk about our most popular radios, why we recommend them, and use cases. Hey, I'm Dustin McKinney, VP of Marketing here at Motorola Solutions. Today we're going to give an update on our recommended radios for the construction industry on job sites. In the past, we've given some high-level best uses for which radios to use and for which reasons. Today we're going to update to reflect our replacements for recently discontinued products. We have budget-friendly options, lightweight but powerful, best of the best, and then our nationwide radio products for the largest job sites. So with that said, I'm going to set these to the side and we'll review these one at a time. All right, first let's look at our entry-level or budget-friendly option. Originally, we recommended the RDU 4100. You may have also seen the VX 261, depending on how long you've been around, how long you've been watching our videos. This was discontinued effective July of last year, 2023. That's right, we're in 2024 now. This was a 4-watt, 10-channel option. There was also an RDU 4160D. I don't have one here with me. Same exact thing, it just had additional channels with a display. So these are gone, unfortunately. You know, they were tried and true. They were around for a long time. But, you know, things change, right? So what replaced them? They were replaced with the CP100D. Now, I do have both display options here with me. This is 4-watt, 16-channel, analog only. We also have a digital version as well. So the RDU 4100 was analog only with no option for digital. The CP100D, we can match up to those existing settings for anyone who was previously using those products, but we have that digital capability built into this. So as you expand and you update your technology to go from analog to digital, we can migrate kind of at our own pace. And this is a product that works both with what you had yesterday and tomorrow into the foreseeable future. There's not much difference between these two, except for the channel capacity and the display type. You know, the RDU 4100 was a 10-channel non-display. The 4160 was a 16-channel with a display. Our entry point for the 100D is a 16-channel non-display radio. So really the only use case for this one is if you want to name your channels on the display, where I can have it say, you know, channel 1 is mechanical, channel 2 is concrete, channel 3 is crane, so on and so forth. Outside of that, we do have up to 160 channels. Nobody's using 160 channels on a job site. But great entry point level here. Analog, migrate to digital, multiple display options. There is a full keypad as well. So these are kind of built and ordered depending on how it is, how many channels you want, what type of display, and then you can scale it appropriately. All right, next is our lightweight and powerful option. This is the SL300. I don't remember if this was on our original video, but if it wasn't, hey, here it is now. Really popular selection. We've seen this growing in popularity rapidly for a couple of reasons. It's small. Obviously, you can see how thin it is. A lot of folks who have a safety vest with a lapel strap, they'll just clip this right here. And it's kind of a 2-for-1 because, you know, you kind of are wearing it like a shoulder mic, but it's just a radio. So it's 2-for-1 special, so to speak. Light enough to wear on a safety vest, or portable enough to carry pretty much anywhere. 3 watts, up to 99 channels on the display model. There's a hidden display here, so we do have that display functionality as well. And it's analog or digital. So all the benefits that come with CP100D from an analog digital standpoint, you know, matching up to old radios, moving to newer technology, is available in this one right here. Now it is 3 watts versus 4 watts. This does have what they call range max technology, so typically it's going to get close to the performance of a 4-watt radio in a light package. Super popular selection. All right, next is the unfortunate cancellation of the CP200D. This radio has been around for 20 years. #1 selling radio in the world for a reason. It was the best durability-wise, audio-wise, but unfortunately it's no more. So if you don't mind, I'm going to have a brief moment of silence in honor of the CP200D. All right, so what replaced it? We replaced it with the R2. You can see really similar form factor, but if we compare it from side to side, this is thinner. So we have all the benefits that came with the 200D. Exceptional noise cancellation, great audio quality, volume level, durability. We didn't want to lose those things when we moved from the CP200D to the R2. This also has enhancements, which is great. You know, we didn't just make it a slimmer, identical radio. That would be, you know, a little bit redundant. We have 64 channels versus the CP200D being 16 channels, so we've, you know, quadrupled our channel capacity. Again, lighter, better, newer battery technology. We're going to get about 20 hours even on the basic capacity battery with this radio. It also has enhanced AI-based or sync noise cancellation. We've done another video on that. We would encourage you to go look at that to give you a real-life scenario of what this noise cancellation sounds like in this radio. It is second to none. It is really, really phenomenal. Outstanding product. We're very pleased. All of the charging accessories and audio accessories are compatible with the CP200D. So we have made the migration an easy migration path for you if you were using this old tried and true radio and we're upgrading to the newer solution. So that is the R2. All right, last but certainly not least is the TLK 110. We've seen this growing in popularity for our largest job sites. So anything above 500,000 square feet where we would traditionally use multiple repeaters. We have a lot of people on staff or on site where we have to have wide cast communication on more than really about 1 or 2 channels, which is where we reach our maximum from a repeater standpoint, capacity standpoint for single site communications. Really popular for like data centers, for example, you know, these big, massive 1,000,000 square foot facilities. Nationwide coverage over 4G or Wi-Fi. So even if we're indoors and we don't get coverage for, you know, on our cell phone, for example, we can connect to Wi-Fi. Up to 96 channels, so exceptional channel capacity here, built as you need it. Each radio can have its own private name. You can have custom talk groups, so I can call someone directly one-to-one. I can call a group of whatever 3 or 4 radios I assign. I can do an all call to everyone. We have enhanced safety features utilizing this orange button. So from a safety standpoint on a job site, we have fall alert, we have lone worker alerts, an emergency override channel, for example, just to name a few. Part of that safeguard package that's available with these radios. Now these also have AI-based noise cancellation. So we have enhanced background noise cancellation as well as these radios having the ability to lock onto an individual's voice. So if I you know, start talking and then walking to a group of people, not only is it going to eliminate background noise, you know, cranes, machinery beeping, buzzing, wind, so on and so forth, it's going to suppress the other people's voices that are not mine. Seeing this in action is really, really cool. Very popular selection, growing in popularity by the day. TLK 110 nationwide radio, online cloud portal management, so programming is done on the fly. We don't have to get anything, we don't have to get all of our radios together in one room and then, you know, program them and hope we didn't miss one the next day. It's all done real time over the cloud. TLK 110, again, really popular selection for the largest job sites. All right, that's all we have for the day. Most popular radios for job sites, construction job sites. Budget friendly, lightweight, powerful, best of the best, nationwide. If you have any other questions or need any additional information, please feel free to reach out to us. In the meantime, I'm going to go give my CP200D here a proper burial ceremony. And until the next time, thanks for watching.